ko na kung di ko pwede di ko kasama.
Video lang na sila kay sayang lang niya ako ng sa mga bahay na. Video all the houses. Near the corner, big one too.
Kamorder na tayo ko. Yung mga old. Spiritual. Siyempre mga mga
What about that one?
I got it, like.
How about that one?
This house is very old here. This one was built 1863, which was the beginning of the Civil War in this country.
Wow.
buhay pa.
Yan, na yan.
During the war. Yeah, this one, these windows are all these are like a like your window. Like your window dito.
Hindi na mo. Doon, no? Wala na diyan mga aircon. Ngayon, no?
You don't see?
Look, that one.
1901.
That one.
Besides, maybe most of these houses, the owners don't live here anymore. Yeah, this one's
The old one.
Yan ang balcony niya.
You wanna live here, like?
No.
Why not?
Why?
Nice
Does
place.
it look lonely? Why? Why don't you want to live here? Hey, this one. Look at this one. These are all ones.
What about that one?
Old fashioned, like.
And that one.
Got it, like.
They put a
Antena sa TV. 1870. Wow.